Hey guys, what's happening? VEED versus HeyGen, which is better? Basically, here's a breakdown. VEED.io, more advanced video editing features, trim, crop, add subtitles, background removal, and effects. Great for full video production. HeyGen specialized in AI generated videos with hyper-realistic avatars and voice cloning. Ideal if you want a quick, professional-looking spokesperson videos. Uh, as for AI capabilities, VEED.io, basic AI tools like auto subtitles and text to speech, HeyGen, stronger AI like lifelike avatars, multi language support, and the voice cloning, perfect for personalized, scalable content. As for finance, VEED.io is more affordable with free tier and flexible plans. As for HeyGen, pricier, but you're paying for that advanced AI magic. If you want VIO for content creating content creation, a robust, easy to use video editor. But if you want more like cloning your own avatar and creating a tutorial or for project for a business, HeyGen is best for marketing, training, and product explainers. Okay, choose Veed for hands-on editing and versatility, and go with HeyGen if you want cutting-edge AI avatars and automation. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.